In this video, something never made before.
Guys!
Will we make it out alive?
My God!
Or not?
One. Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Telekinesis, and today we are playing
3008.
This is the game based off that one big store, Ikea. And I think a lot of people have heard about it, but I just went shopping with my mom and she just disappeared. Yo, I have an idea. Okay, so we're just gonna start off by making oh my gosh, this is too steep, but we're just gonna go with it. Can I pick up this carpet? Oh, this pool table will be excellent.
2,000 years later.
We're gonna try and get some fence so we don't fall. Oh wait, we also need a door. We can just use another bed. Alright guys, I'm sorry, my mom's calling me. But we're here. Guys! Guys, it's night. Okay, don't panic. Yo, their place is low-key kind of cool. We just need to be alert and make sure they're not.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
We're gonna put this right here so they can't sneak in.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Oh my God, guys!
Excuse me.
Guys!
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Oh my God!
The store is now closed.
Oh my God, they're here!
Excuse me.
They're here! They're here! They're here! Okay, I hope I got high enough. Oh my God, guys! We literally just almost died. Yo, do you guys see that? Where are they coming? Guys? 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 You're too
Excuse me.
Oh my God!
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Guys, what just happened? Guys! I literally just got brutally attacked, and he's acting like nothing just happened. Okay, waypoints. My house, baby. There we go. Now let's look for something. Just so I feel safer. Okay, surely no monsters are coming up here.
Yeah, this is just gonna be me talking for a little bit because this stays silent for an extremely long time, and I won't start speaking until I actually start moving because I just felt like a lot of time would go past. Well, it did, but I just felt like it would become night in a little bit, so like that's when like a lot of stuff happens. But yeah. Also, guys, a quick announcement: I'm going live on Saturday, 5 p.m. CDT. When is that? Like May 23rd. Yes, May 23rd. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys. Well, not bye, but continue.
Alright guys, you know what, we're just gonna head out. And I'm just gonna look for stuff. I'm just gonna look around. You know, have fun. What the heck? That doesn't look right. To be honest, I'm just craving food. Is that a place where I can find food? Oh my god, they took all the food. Imagine eating all the food. Can never be me. I bet when it turns night, they're just chasing us because they're so scared. Like, imagine. Oh my god, are those meatballs? Let me just get those. Man. Consume. Yes. 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 Okay guys, that was all the food that I needed. I'm gonna eat a banana. Guys, this isn't funny. I'm just gonna start going back to my house, baby! So let's just do that nice, calmly and slowly. Yo, what is that? Guys, what is that? That's scaring me. Okay. Looks like we're good. I'm gonna... Oh, right. Guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna like try doing this. Oh my god, we finally did it. Okay, now we're just gonna wait in my very great base. Oh my god, why did I do that? Luckily there are no monsters around. Never mind. The heck? Did I just see something? I don't even care if he comes by. There's no way he can get in my base. Like, there's no way. It's impossible. See, you can't even get in here. Ha ha. You're dumb. You're thick. Not even in a good way. I'm just gonna keep whistling and like, I know he's not gonna do anything about it. Ooh, whoopsies. What?
Excuse me.
I gotta sneeze. Oh my god! Guys!
Excuse me.
Guys,
The store is now
that's it for this
closed.
video. Make sure
Please
to like,
exit.
subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!
Hi guys, it is me, the editor, the filmer. It is me. Thanks for watching the video, and and just like a quick reminder, I will be going live with Guy the Guy. I'll be featuring him in the live, so be ready. Bye.